Today in this video, we're going to take a look at the best outdoor rocking chair for your decision to ensure you get the best value for your needs. Promotion's smart technology for smoother visuals and more responsive touch. We'll compare the best outdoor rocking chair for smoother visuals and more responsive touch on the market and list their features and prices. Link in description, box below. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell. If you're looking for the perfect addition to your outdoor space, the best outdoor rocking chair with 450-pound capacity is the ideal choice. Combining durability, comfort, and style, this rocking chair provides a relaxing and elegant seating option for your garden, patio, or porch. Durability you can trust. One of the standout features of this rocking chair is its impressive 450-pound weight capacity. Crafted with a strong and sturdy steel frame, it offers exceptional support, ensuring that it remains stable and secure while you unwind. Whether you're lounging with a good book, enjoying a cool drink, or simply taking in the scenery, this chair is built to withstand daily use without compromising on safety or comfort. The rattan wicker design not only adds a natural, stylish touch, but also enhances its durability. The weather-resistant material can withstand exposure to the elements, meaning you won't have to worry about fading or wear and tear. This makes it a perfect choice for outdoor settings, offering a long-lasting investment that's perfect for both sunny days and mild rainy spells. Comfort meets design. Designed with relaxation in mind, the outdoor rocking chair features a comfortable, contoured seat and high back design, providing excellent support for your back and neck. The rocking motion encourages a soothing, gentle sway, which is perfect for relieving stress after a long day. Whether you prefer a morning coffee or an afternoon nap, this chair offers a perfect, tranquil experience. Its ergonomic design and soft, curved lines are ideal for anyone seeking a balance between modern aesthetics and classic outdoor charm. The neutral wicker finish easily blends with various outdoor decor styles, making it versatile for any backyard, balcony, or patio. Perfect for any outdoor setting. Whether you're looking to create a cozy nook on your porch, a stylish seating area by the garden, or an inviting space on the balcony, this rattan wicker rocking chair offers the ideal blend of comfort and sophistication. Its sleek and timeless design will complement any outdoor space, from modern apartments to sprawling backyard gardens. Outdoor rocking chair with 450-pound capacity is an excellent choice for anyone seeking durability, comfort, and style. Its solid construction, elegant design, and comfortable rocking motion make it a must-have for outdoor relaxation. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your outdoor lounging experience. Treat yourself to the ultimate in comfort and style with this must-have garden lounge chair. Thanks for watching the video.